The Jasmy coin is back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. And Jasmy's price has been pumping lately. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys why it's happening and how high Jasmy could potentially go in this crypto bull cycle. So, guys, right now, smash the like button, subscribe down below. I know a ton of people interested in Jasmy. This community is still phenomenal. And did you know that 50% of the people who watch my YouTube channel don't subscribe, which is absolutely crazy? Guys, it's totally free. I'm here every day grinding for you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's talk a little bit about Jasmy. I want to talk at you for a little bit and give you guys my breakdown before we kind of go take a look at the chart, because we have seen a significant price increase recently with Jasmy. It's currently up 23%. It is right now the top gainer on coin market cap. You guys can see that right here. It's up 22% in the last 24 hours. Volume has went crazy here, has went sky high, 620 million in volume. And Jasmy has these moments where out of nowhere, it kind of just has these huge pops, right? So we were down here less than 2.5 cents. A big move to the upside here for Jasmy. You can see here in the last month, we've been trending downwards. We are up slightly now in the last month, up about 1%. Still up 547%, guys, in the year. Keep in mind, we were way, way down in the bear market. Even back in February of last year, like this time last year, we were way down. So we have come up pretty significantly. But I think there's a lot of room to go for Jasmy. And we'll talk about that. We're currently ranked number 70, but I think there's a lot more here. And in terms of this pump, before I give you guys my price prediction and give you guys some insight into the chart a little bit, before we get there, I want to just tell you this pump right now, to me, is not based on news. It's based on technical indicators. And this will make more sense in a second when I show you this. But Jasmy basically broke through from a descending wedge pattern. This is always a bullish signal. A descending wedge pattern is a bullish signal when you're able to break through that. And the relative strength index, along with the moving average convergence divergence, or what we call MACD, both of these indicators flipped bullish. And this triggers a lot of algorithmic buying, but there's also further support from Jasmy whales. And derivatives data indicates heightened market interest in Jasmy right now, too. So all the stars are aligning right now for Jasmy. We've got open interest in Jasmy futures increasing by 44%. Reaching around 63 million here. Trading volume, as I mentioned, surged 650%. And then all of a sudden, you have more investor confidence. You have people kind of, in some ways, chasing the green candles, but in other ways, just letting the data dictate their decision making. So I want to take you guys inside this website right here. This is called the Coin Perspective. And my Jasmycoin price target for this bull run is about a 14x away from here. And I know some would say, Zach, this is all it could do, get to 50 cents. We were higher than this, right? Like the all-time high is $5, but it had a totally different token distribution, okay? But now the full circulating supply is basically the max supply, meaning almost all the tokens now are circulating, guys. They had a bunch of unlocks in the last bull cycle. They were only working with a fraction of the supply. Now, 99% of Jasmy tokens are out. This is it. This is the supply. 50 billion. That's it. So from here, I think we can still do a big, big move to the upside. We're listed on Binance. We're listed on Coinbase. I've got my bags packed with Jasmy. I was buying right around a little less than a penny is where I started opening up my position on Jasmy. Yeah, I missed the lows of the lows, right? You can't catch everything to the bottom, but I still think with the circulating supply the way it is, again, 48.4 billion, total supply is 50 billion. We're sitting at a market cap of 1.6 billion. I still think Jasmy can get to a 20 to $25 billion market cap. A lot of this is going to hinge on Japan, adoption there, and what takes place, because Jasmy is the Japanese token. It is the darling. It has been called the Japanese Bitcoin. but still, it has grown in popularity outside of Japan too. I think it can still do a 14x and get to the 50-cent threshold. Now, if we come over to the actual chart here and we take a look at what's going on here, let's see here if we can reload this. Trying to get the chart. There we go. Oh, that's XRP. We want Jasmy. Things are looking really good on the chart here, guys. And we mentioned this descending wedge, and now it's breaking out of that pattern. There it is right there. Yesterday, we broke out of that pattern. We got above the 20-day moving average. We were falling ever since we set those highs, our local highs back in December. We got up to about 6 cents. We've been kind of slowly trending down. To me, this is what we've been waiting for. And we actually, if we go to the 4-hour chart, we got the first momentum up on this chart in a really long time. Okay, right here was the buy signal right at about 3 cents. We are trending upwards right now. And guys, right here was a signal to buy Jasmy for further gains. If you want access to this chart and what this looks like, possible retracement up was called way back here at 2.5 cents. And then the momentum up signal fired. You can get these alerts sent right to you. XT Algo is my trading indicator. If you guys are serious about crypto gains this bull cycle, little over $1 a day is what you pay for XT Algo. You make a couple successful trades, even one successful trade a month. This thing is super, super well worth it. I strategically made it way cheaper than the competitors, but it's just as good. I went and found the top person who builds indicators and had him build this. Spent thousands of dollars on this, and I've been using it since 2023. You guys have access to it. There's a link down below in the description. But Jasmy right now, as my fellow YouTuber had said, there's a lot of upside here. And right now it's being driven by the technicals. And I think a 50-cent price target right now on Jasmy is not out of the realm of possibility. That is a 14x right now. That is a top 100 crypto that could potentially, in my opinion, 14x. Now, that's not financial advice. We're all just giving our numbers. Nobody knows for sure. But with the community around it, with the circulating supply now all intact, the upside here for Jasmy is tremendous. The community's huge. And guys, you guys are the community. Let me know that you're here by smashing that like button, subscribing down below. When you do that, this video will get pushed out to people who are interested in Jasmy, who haven't bought Jasmy yet. And that's what we want. We want to get people interested. We want to get people researching the project. You guys can help the cause if this video absolutely sends in the algorithm. But it's awesome to see Jasmy making some moves, guys. We've been talking about Jasmy for a while now. We don't talk about it every day because when it's quiet, there's nothing to talk about. But when things start moving, when things start happening, Jasmy can go up parabolically. We've seen it time and time again. So it is the top gainer right now, and we shall see what happens next with Jasmycoin. I appreciate you all for watching. Again, don't forget to click that subscribe button too so you don't miss out on any of our content right here on YouTube. We'll see you guys in the next one.